Hello everybody, welcome back to Louisiana Shiner. But you ain't seen nothing like this. This is the Duallys lifted lawnmower. It has made stability so much better on it, and it looks so much more cooler with the big Duallys, probably as you've seen in the B-roll shots. Now the axle is longer than it is tall. Makes the difference. Despite it being a two-wheel drive, it can go through mud really well, better than my four-wheel drive can, probably because of all that ground displacement it's got going on. But I think next I need a set of wheelie bars on it just so I can be a little safer and have a little fun. Now some of y'all might have seen on my YouTube short, the way the dually adapter is it literally just sandwiches one wheel on and it bolts the other wheel to the side, allowing it to have a dually. Because I took the back tires off the Honda 300 and I have them as inner duallies, and my lifted lawnmower's normal tires are now the outer duallies. Well everyone, thanks for watching this little blog of me talking about the dually lifted lawnmower and some of the future plans. If y'all like what I do here, if y'all like the dually lifted lawnmower a lot, I would totally give this video a like. Maybe subscribe. It'll help make making videos like these a little easier and give you a lot more better content with this beautiful piece of machinery. I do plan on making a riding video of it soon, maybe in some mud. Well, thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good day.